Hi, Dr. Philip Morphew, wellness chiropractor, energy medicine practitioner and intuitive healer. I want to talk to you a little bit about the causes of chronic ill health. Chronic ill health, the biggest challenge and the biggest cause is neglect. I know some people go, but I've had it since I was a child. Neglect is when we are not reconnecting to ourselves energetically, emotionally, physically, structurally, neurologically. Neglect is, oh, I don't really care. But what we then do is, because we're emotionally void, or we have an emotional void, we may eat it, we may drink it, we may smoke it. And those people who are vaping, get rid of that stuff. It's going to screw with your mind and your brain. So what we do is we fill our voids with things, even chronic shopping addiction, So when we fill our body with things, or our mind with things, or our life with things, we start to get congested. We get emotions that we hang on to. For example, our liver, anger, frustration, our small intestine, vulnerability, confusion, muddleness, our kidneys, fear, feeling pissed off, feeling like our hands are tied, our large intestine, sadness, grief, feeling between a rock and a hard place, our heart, disconnection to love or the absence of love, our lungs, sadness, grief, our throat, the inability to voice our needs. These are just some of the things. And in men, our prostate, that's where we hold our vulnerability. That's why so many older men have major prostate problems, because they don't allow their vulnerability to surface. And as a female, the uterus is the center of a female vulnerability energy. So if we've got deep suppressed vulnerability, then those organs aren't going to function well. If we've got ongoing anger, our liver's not going to function well. It's an important organ. Our kidneys aren't getting rid of the toxins and things. So where does that neglect start? It can start in utero because of the DNA uploading I've spoken about before. Maybe our mother's patterns, grandmothers, great-grandmothers, all of those things. Because you know what? At roughly 4 months of age, a female in utero, a female developing, has all her eggs already. So that means the mother's got eggs, the grandmother's, it's all carrying this DNA pattern. So it's important to feel calm, peaceful and get connected. So the best way to deal with your chronic ill health, get a better mindset, start to believe in love and connect to love with your inner self, get moving, drink plenty of water, eat cleaner food, get rid of the crap out of your life, and get a regular wellness tune-up. That may just help you have a better life, a longer life and more productive life, and the ability to stay independent, happy and well.